Well, how's it going, everyone? This is part 2 of this video. Doing a little something different tonight. Moved my plow a lot, up and down, left and right. Ran my battery down. I've actually got a different battery in right now. I'm thinking about putting dual batteries in this truck. For snow plowing reasons, where I can, maybe, I don't know if there's a way to make it to where I can basically use the extra power if I need it, and then when I don't need it during the summer, disconnect it somehow. Let me know what you guys think about that. I got a bigger battery in here, so it seems to be doing okay, but my headlights are halogen, and halogens pull more, so I got the LEDs running. I turned my headlights off. I need to get LEDs in it. I think that would help with power draw. It's kind of late at night. There's not really any anybody out. There's a few people out. They're mostly plowing snow. I'm not using any strobe lights right now. Out. Let's see if we can stack this. Oh yeah, there we go. We're just kind of touching up. We started around 6, and then it started coming down really fast and heavy. This is part 2. We were supposed to get 3 to 5, but what was supposed to hit us this morning stayed south of Interstate 70 down by Greenup and all them. They got close to 8 inches in that area, and originally they were thinking this wasn't going to be, we were going to get sleet and rain and all that good stuff, but that changed. Push this up in there a little better. Oh yeah, there we go. The truck's doing pretty good. I do occasionally just kind of sit for a little bit and just kind of let the battery charge itself up. Plowed for about 11 hours last night. Started at 6, quit at 5, pretty much. So, 5 a.m., 6 p.m. to 5 a.m. Oh, can't see very good. That probably don't look good. Just gonna push this stuff up here. I'm not blocking this car in. I'll push it up into the embankment there. So, yeah, if you guys have any ideas of how I can make more power for plowing, send me a comment there, or let me know what you're all thinking. Shut my back window there, my sliding back window. Now the wind's blowing in the back. I have it open so I can see behind me. But hopefully I'll be able to. I've only had about 4 or 5 hours of sleep in the last 24 hours. But I've had lots of coffee, good food, and I'm not feeling too bad. I got really tired last night right before I quit. It's still snowing now. I hate squeaky blades. Windshield wiper actually came off the other day while I was driving or plowing. Had it on. It just came unhooked. Broke your back. Cheap $4 windshield wiper blades. They're good blades, but they don't like to stay on very well. So, hope you're all getting your Christmas shopping done, and I hope you all are going to have a wonderful Christmas. That was a lot of snow. I've I've got to do Christmas shopping this week. I have for some reason put it off to the last minute. My fiance's kids have not had school for the last 2 days. Well, they didn't have school. They haven't been in school since Friday. And they don't have school tomorrow. They've canceled. The country roads are very bad, and it's windy and it's drifting, and you can see the snow blowing. It is kind of trying to slack off a little bit, but like I said, between midnight and 4 a.m. it was going to completely stop. And then we're going to get, towards the end of the week, we're going to be in the 50s. I think they're talking 40-some degrees for Christmas. So we probably will melt a lot of this. The piles will probably still be around, but I don't see too much with the, what do you call it? I consider part 1 and part 2. This is all one storm. It's just 2 parts. We had 2 waves. This is probably going to be the most I've ever made by the time I get done with everything. Most I've ever made in one snowstorm since I've plowed. And they're talking like January is going to be real snowy too. So anyway, yep. There's been a lot of school cancellations. Whoops, that was the curb. Thank God for trip plows or trip edges. I'm thinking about building some wings too for my plow, because I was watching a buddy of mine, and he's got a Western he just put on his dad's truck, and I really like his idea he did for those wings. I just want mine to be able to be removed, because I have a few places that this plow is perfect for. I have a couple banks that you've all probably seen I plow at, and it's good to have. Oh, she's really scraping today. So I'm thinking about doing some fan mail. I don't think I've talked about that before. Y'all would like to send me fan mail and I'd read it over a video. Thinking about doing that. We're over, I think we had 611 subscribers now. So that's awesome. Yeah, I'm actually knocking this out pretty fast. I also tried something my snowblower kept plugging up last night. So I got some WD-40 and shot in it there, and we'll see how that works. So but yeah, I don't know what else to say. Just out here stacking snow. Eventually I'm gonna get another truck, and just kind of, when we have big snows, I'm gonna get a big truck and use this for like my little stuff, or maybe hire someone to help me or something. Get in here a little closer without hitting that car. Oh yeah. Whoa, that was the big chunk of ice that I forgot to pick up yesterday. But yep, that's that ice still froze to the ground. I hit it with the plow, and the plow didn't even knock it loose. Nuts. Well, there's that bucket. I was wondering where that bucket went. Gotta get out and get the snowblower fired up here and see if I can make it work tonight. I only got this placed and a few others. I have sidewalks I have to do. But yep, I do this, finish up, blow the sidewalks off. I'll holler at you guys in a few. Good morning, guys. Well, beautiful day. Sun's out, 7:30 in the morning. Doing a few country drives here. Just thought I'd say hi to you this morning. Oh, getting some winter pictures. Anyway, doing long driveways. This is a rock driveway, so I kind of have to keep the plow up a little bit just so it skims the snow and leaves the rock. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna get back.